Julian, hingi na lang kami ng konting mensahe para sa'yo, para din sa mga nagsisimula o kaya gusto mag-transition into singing mula sa dancing.
Wow, okay. Something inspiration. No, I think
Lesson you've learned along the
lessons I
way.
learned, I think something to share. Kanina yung mga kasama nating mga sumasayaw, ano? Nakita
Pinoy
niyo sila
Prime.
kanina, Pinoy Prime. I started at that level talaga na sumasali sa maraming competition. So I think it's a pursuit to you know, to find your passion, and once you find it, talagang you should let it grow in you, mahalin mo siya kasi it will love you back. So, and love, yung pagbigay ng pagmamahal pabalik is, yun na, yung mga greater heights that you'd achieve. Me, standing here with you guys, it was just an ounce love for dancing, yung nagsimula. So, and I'm here now. So, I think, yun na yung share ko to all the kids or youngins out there. Follow that passion and, you know, fall in love with it really, really hard. So, dadalhin ka yan sa mga places na hindi mo pa nai-imagine na ma-achieve mo. So, hold on to that dream.
Thank you.